Could Ethereum ETFs outshine Bitcoin ETFs? IBET stands out in crowded altcoin market. Matt Williams last updated. March 20, 2024, 8:54 EDT 2-minute read. Recently, the creator of the VanEck Bitcoin Trust has stated that he believes Ethereum ETFs could surpass Bitcoin ETFs as an investment vehicle. VanEck temporarily slashed its management fee to zero, aiming to draw more investment into the fund. As the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC nears its decision on the authorization of an Ethereum ETF, crypto investors are eagerly awaiting news that could see the Ethereum price surge throughout 2024. Will Ethereum ETF be approved? There's a divide among experts regarding the viability of Ether ETFs, particularly because these might not facilitate the distribution of staking rewards. Critics argue that investors might find more value in directly purchasing and staking Ether ETH themselves. However, VanEck, a leading global investment firm and one of the pioneers behind the introduction of 10-spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year, is optimistic about the potential success of an Ethereum ETF. Pranav Kanate, a VanEck portfolio manager, believes the demand for an ETH spot ETF could rival or even surpass that of the Bitcoin ETFs. Considering the market dynamics, the potential market size for a spot ETH ETF could be as significant, if not more so, than that for spot Bitcoin ETFs, Kanade stated. Bitcoin price surge driven by Bitcoin ETF inflows. This optimism is noteworthy, especially given the swift influx of over $10 billion into spot BTC ETFs within just 2 months of their launch. Kanade further elaborated on the appeal of Ether as an investment, highlighting its ability to generate fees for holders, which positions ETH as a potentially more attractive asset to a broader investor base compared to Bitcoin, despite the absence of staking features in the ETF structure. Ether's use of a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism allows holders to earn yields through staking, with platforms like Coinbase offering around a 3% yield for ETH staking. Nevertheless, the likelihood of the second approving spot ETH ETFs remains uncertain. Recent analysis by Bloomberg has pegged the chances of regulatory approval at just 30%, although Kanade is more optimistic, estimating a 50% probability. As the decision looms, the crypto community and investors keen on Ethereum price prediction, Ethereum news, and broader crypto news are closely watching, eager to see if Ether ETFs will indeed set a new precedent in the investment landscape. InsanityBets stands out in surging altcoin market. InsanityBets introduces a groundbreaking shift from the conventional model seen in crypto casinos by prioritizing a return mechanism that focuses on its users. Lauded by the cryptocurrency community, the platform redistributes a substantial portion of its revenues, 85%, of platform charges and 90% of house gains, back to those holding its tokens, thus providing a continuous revenue flow, even in the event of losses. This unique approach aims to boost user interaction and foster community expansion, which in turn elevates the profit margins for all stakeholders. Positioned at a competitive entry price of just 1 cent and with a market cap of $5 million, the opportunity for financial growth is significant. Investors have done the maths and noted that if the project captures even a 5% market share and grows to a market cap of just $1 billion, they'll see a huge return on investment. Website https://insanitybets.com per sale, https://buy. InsanityBets, ComX, https://x.com/insanitybets. Telegram, https://t.me/insanitybets. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer. The text above is an advertorial article that is not part of Crypto News.com editorial content.